there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Atancho Lovely. I hope you guys are all doing good and well. You are warmly welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a simple recipe of coconut sweet. You can also term it coconut candy or candied coconut. It's very easy. The first thing is that we're going to break open the coconut, get to the white part, which is the endosperm. That is the part we are going to be using in this recipe. Guys, let me throw more light on coconuts. Coconuts are especially high in manganese, which is essential for bone health. So now we separate the inner part, that's the endosperm, from the shell. So we have our deshelled coconut here, which is the endosperm, the white part of the coconut. So the next step is to shred or grater. This is what we have, guys, as our shredded or grated coconut. So the next step is to put this in our wok pan and add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Get the shredded coconuts into the wok pan or a frying pan. To this we are going to add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. 1, 2, 3. And then you want to add a pinch of salt. When I say pinch, it's a pinch. Alright, from this point onwards we are going to stir till we achieve our results. Guys, please drop your heat when you notice that the color is turning brown, so we don't get to have burnt coconut shreds at the end. So this is the appropriate color we want to achieve. The next thing is to let it cool. See you guys later. This is so crunchy, guys. Oh, you guys will thank me later. Just try this recipe. Your kids are gonna love it. You can use brown sugar. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like and share. Also click on the notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload. Thanks for watching once more. Love and light. Bye bye.